Stop me if this sounds familiar. You're scrolling Zillow at midnight, see a $450,000 listing, then open your rent app and sigh again, which is really cheaper right now, renting or buying. Mortgage rates hover near 6.8%. Average UK rent just cracked $2,050, and TikTok experts scream both sides. Tonight, I'll hand you a brand new 9% shortcut that slices through the chaos in under 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know in your exact city whether signing that mortgage makes sense or whether you should keep your landlord on speed dial. All the information I'll be sharing is completely free, so I'd appreciate it if you hit like as a quick thank you. Some of you might be tempted to click away too soon, but that would be a huge mistake. If you don't watch all the way to the end, you'll miss the key points that make all the difference. So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's get started. Why this matters now. Mortgage rates. Conventional 30-year averaged 6.8% last week, Freddie Mac. Rent growth up 3.5% year over year but slowing per Zillow. Inventory. Existing home supply still 35% below 2019, pressuring prices. Bottom line, neither option is obvious unless you run the numbers correctly. The 3 cost buckets of home ownership. Property taxes. Nationwide average now 1.19% of assessed value. Tax Foundation 2025. Example, $450,000 house. Maintenance and capex. Updated rule of thumb, 1.25% per year for a post-2000 build, more for older homes. That's another $5,625 annually on our sample home. Cost of capital. Opportunity cost. Last 30 years, S&P 500 real return approximately 7.4%. Median US home approximately 2.2%. Stocks outperformed by 5.2 percentage points. Put 20% down. That's 0.2. 0 times 5.2% approximately equals 1.04% of the home's price lost each year. Cost of debt. Using 6.8% mortgage, first year interest approximately 5.54% of home value. Total cost of capital equals 1.04% plus 5.54%, approximately equals 6.58%. Add them up. 1.19% property tax, 1.25% maintenance, 6.58% cost of capital, grand total equals 8.97%. Round it and you get the 9% rule. How to use the 9% rule. Take the listing price, multiply by 0.09, divide by 12. That's your break-even monthly ownership cost. Example, Phoenix, Arizona. Home price, $450,000. $450,000 times 0.09 equals $40,500 a year. Divided by 12, approximately $3,375 per month. If you can rent a comparable home for less than $3,375, renting wins today. If rents sit above that, start talking pre-approval. I built a free Google Sheets calculator. You'll find the link in the description. Swap in your city's taxes, your local maintenance estimates, even a 15-year mortgage if you're brave. Flaws and human factors. Discipline gap. Will renters really invest that down payment at 7%? History says maybe not. Amortization magic. Every mortgage tilts from interest to equity over time. Your cost of debt shrinks annually. Tax perks. US mortgage interest deduction can drop your effective cost below 9% if itemized interest is greater than $14,000. If this breakdown brought you value, hit like so. YouTube shows it to more future homeowners. Subscribe and ring the bell for weekly evergreen money tactics and drop a comment. Does the 9% rule say rent or buy in your city? I answer every thoughtful post. Remember, Money is a tool. Use it wisely, and I'll see you in the next video.